Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sketch Cristiano Ronaldo. We'll start by laying down the foundational shapes. Think of the head as an oval, then gently add guidelines for features. These initial steps are crucial for capturing his likeness accurately. We'll focus on getting the proportions right, ensuring the head is about 1/7 to 1/8 of the total body height for a dynamic pose. This sets the stage for a successful drawing. Now let's bring Ronaldo's face to life. His eyes are key. They often convey intensity, so pay close attention to their shape and the brow line. His nose has a distinct structure, and his mouth can vary from a determined set to a slight smile. Remember to place the ears correctly, usually aligning with the eyes and nose. These details are what make the sketch truly recognizable as him. Moving on to his iconic hair and powerful physique. Ronaldo's hair is a significant part of his look, so capture its flow and texture. When sketching his body, remember his athletic build. Focus on the broad shoulders, defined chest, and strong arms. Even in a static pose, there's a sense of movement and power. Aim for a dynamic representation that reflects his on-field presence, perhaps with a slight lean or twist. Finally, let's add depth and bring your sketch to a polished finish. Shading is crucial for making your drawing three-dimensional. Use lighter pressure for highlights and darker pressure for shadows, especially around the eyes, nose, and jawline. Pay attention to the subtle details in his clothing or any accessories. Once you're happy with the shading, carefully erase any remaining construction lines to present a clean, complete portrait of Cristiano Ronaldo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.